You guys, have you ever heard of feta cheese? Because it's feta cheese because it's vegan, baked with grapes. I know. Everybody does it with tomatoes, which is amazing, but let me break it to you and tell you, it's amazing with grapes. You're going to be amazed. I was. You're going to love it. All right, we're going to add the vegan feta cheese in the middle, or if you want, if you prefer a vegan camembert, and we're going to add them to a baking dish. The type of grapes that I'm using are red grapes. We're going to add salt and pepper, black pepper. We're going to add some olive oil and the herbs of your choice. And my suggestion for you is to add either tarragon, it's really good, or what did I add that it was really good the other day? Fresh oregano, it was really good. Fresh oregano, fresh thyme is really good, fresh rosemary, or the blend of the three of them, or I mean, you can choose, okay? And then you put it in the oven, okay? Allow it to bake and just smile and be happy because this is really good. Didn't I tell you? I told you. You're going to surprise your guests. This is a very chic, elegant kind of a starter. If you can, it's a starter, yeah, it is. So you can share with your guests or your family, or you can have it for yourself because you want to indulge. Why not? We deserve those kind of things once in a while, right? Or all the time. So you put it in the center of the table and people are going to be, wow, grapes, are you kidding me? Yes. It's delicious. Before you serve it, just drizzle a little bit of a balsamic vinegar or a balsamic reduction, and you guys are going to, trust me, you're going to love it. All right, serve it warm, okay? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my favorites, so I had to share this with you. All right, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on my social media. It's going to be over here. And share this recipe with your friends. Your mom's gonna love it. Moms love this kind of thing. This easy pop in, pop out kind of recipes is their thing, okay? And what else I was gonna say? Subscribe, didn't I say? Yeah, check if you're still subscribed because you know what's happening, YouTube unsubscribe. I don't know why they're doing that. And everybody's complaining about it. All the other creators, I don't know what's happening, okay? And enjoy, and I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.